It's become tradition here that the Western North Carolina Polar Bear Championship is a cold night. I don't think it was as cold as 2 weeks ago when we ran down here. I don't think it was as cold as it was last year. We at least didn't have any meets that we were running in the snow, so that makes for a good year.
On your marks.
Yeah.
Said, if they don't hire you, I said, I got a job for you next year.
No, what?
She said, well, I'm going to look at Franklin first. I said, well, if they don't hire you. Yeah, I've already talked to the judge.
If I've counted correctly, is the largest WNC Polar Bear Championship we've had. We have right at 350 runners, and total entries are approaching 500. Obviously, there were some people who didn't show. There are 14 men's teams represented here today and 13 women's teams. And that also is the largest that we've had at Western North Carolina Championships. I think I'm correct. This is our 5th year. We like to think we put on a good meet, and the key to the good meet is I have good assistant coaches and good helpers, and the people who come and run here don't mind working. And if you have good workers, they will support what you're doing, and it always helps the meet run more smoothly. We can't do it by ourselves. Everybody knows that.